In a significant breakthrough in the brutal fatal assault of delivery boy Prabir Shil, the Tripura Police successfully recovered the weapon and axe used during a crime scene on Friday in Bamutia. The exercise was conducted under the supervision of DCM Mohanpur, Amitava Acharjee and senior police officials. During the reconstruction, the primary accused and alleged mastermind Shekhar Tanti, along with co-accused Tanmoy Orang and Bikas Tanti, demonstrated the sequence of events that led to the fatal assault. Police investigation revealed that on December 24, Shekhar Tanti had procured the axe from a nearby residence to carry out the assault. The weapon was discovered hidden at the site based on the specific information provided by the accused during their police remand. The reconstruction process was closely monitored to ensure legal compliance. Key officials present at the scene included Amitava Acharjee, Deputy Collector and Magistrate Mohanpur, Savyachi Devnath, SDPO Mohanpur, Sahadev Das, OC Lefunga Police Station, Anthony Jamatia, OC Bamutia Outpost and Nibendra Jamatia, investigating officer of the case. Pure report, Chini Khorang.